Lisa Hanna shares gorgeous photos of herself in wedding dress. It's been 1 week since Member of Parliament Lisa Hanna tied the knot with businessman Richard Lake. However, the beauty queen turned politician, known for being very active on social media, has held off on sharing photos of the wedding or anything related to the affair until Saturday morning, when she posted stunning photos of herself posing in her wedding dress, made in Jamaica by a local designer who she thanked in the caption. "Always and forever. Thank you, Louise Graham," Anna wrote. The 42-year-old Anna wed her longtime boyfriend in a ceremony in St. Andrew recently, with the pair exchanging vows on a balcony overlooking the city in a beautiful affair. In a heartfelt message on her Instagram page, the newly minted Mistress hanna-lake expressed her love for her husband. "Richard and I have loved and been devoted to each other over many years. Our love has not only survived but prevailed, given our shared commitment and respect for each other. Away from the public, we are ourselves, vulnerable, primal, tender, selfless, naturally exposing what we cherish without judgment. He is my protector and I am his. We have learned that you cannot direct the course of love. For love, if it finds you worthy, directs your course. Last week, we both privately took another deliberate step on our journey together in our most sacred place. I want to thank each and every one of you who extended your sincerity towards us and say to you that we both truly appreciate your blessings. I ask that you respect my desire to keep our marriage and those who attended our wedding private, but I will release to you my beautiful Louise Graham dress shortly. Just have a little patience with me as I allow my heart to enjoy this moment of bliss. Love you all, Lisa Hanna." Anna also took the opportunity to thank those persons that were involved in the ceremony. P.S. It was important to me to have everything provided by local purveyors. My heartfelt thanks to Shikima and at Tia Flora Services, Top Designs, Camille at K Couture JA, Carlton Brown OJ, Starlight Production, Bambino, Addy, Susan Couch, Top Shelf, Audrey Reynolds, and everyone who made our day a true celebration, unpretentious, elegant, and downright fun. It is Anna's second marriage, having previously tied a knot with businessman David Panton. The couple shares a teenage son and were divorced in 2004, 5 years after their marriage. Lake is also getting married for the second time. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.